Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to submit a copyright removal request. Understanding this process is crucial for protecting your creative work. If someone uses your original content without permission, you have the right to ask for its removal. This guide will walk you through the steps to effectively file a request, ensuring your intellectual property is respected across various platforms. We'll cover everything from gathering necessary information to understanding the outcomes of your submission. Before submitting your request, it's essential to gather all the necessary information. First, clearly identify your original copyrighted work. This could be a video, photo, or text. Next, pinpoint the exact location of the infringing content, usually a specific URL. You'll also need proof of ownership, like a copyright registration number or a time-stamped creation file. Finally, ensure you have accurate contact details, including an email address for communication regarding your request. Once you have all your information ready, the submission process is straightforward. Most platforms have a dedicated copyright removal form or portal. Carefully fill in all the required fields, providing precise details about your copyrighted work and the infringing material. It's crucial to affirm, under penalty of perjury, that the information you've provided is accurate and that you are the copyright owner or authorized to act on their behalf. After submission, remember to save any confirmation numbers for your records. After you submit your copyright removal request, the platform will begin its review process. This typically takes a few business days, but can vary. If your claim is found to be valid, the infringing content will likely be removed. The alleged infringer might also receive a copyright strike or other penalty on their account. You'll usually receive email updates regarding the status of your request, so keep an eye on your inbox for important notifications and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.